top 3 powerful display settings that instantly improve your Motorola Moto G85 5G. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now here you can see how much time you have spent on your phone today. And if you tap on the time section, you will see a detailed breakdown of how much time you are spending on different apps every day. Number 2. In the settings, here you tap on display. Then just scroll down. After that, just turn on night light option from here. It reduces blue light and make your screen warmer, which helps reduce eye strain, especially when you use your phone at night. Number 3. In the display settings, here you just scroll down. Then tap on color contrast. From here, you can choose from medium or high contrast to make your screen easier to see, especially in bright light or if you find text hard to read. So that's it. These 3 simple display settings can make your Moto G85 5G experience much better. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.